Mwaka uyu urathira wa kigina hari bajeti ya tirilioni 3 na milioni 800 thirikari cia kaunti ciaheirwo ciringi bilioni 316 na ona mwaka uyu uroka thirikari icio ikaheo muigana o ta ucio. Kamiti ya hamwe ya bajeti iria iri na amemba kuma thirikari nene na cia kaunti igitongorio ni munini wa President William Ruto nio iguithanirio horo uyu.
It is not that we want to push counties in any way. You have seen for yourselves that we are cutting from the executive, we are cutting from the legislature, we are cutting from the judiciary. We were hoping that you will accept to take a small cut.
So we have been underfunded all through. And this has been, I think we will have allowed CRA to make their presentation because they also advise us, the both levels of government on this particular issue, before we say that we get a cut. Because we have been underfunded. And that's why we have been struggling.
So we also need to be very careful about how we do our own taxation. It is just to assure you that the pain that we are going through will be short term, but it will be realistic.
Ithabu riri riumanite na bururi kwaga kungania magoti maiganu gukorwo ni urariha mathiri ma iguru maria ukombete nja ya bururi na kwambatira kwa mbeca cia mahuthiro makiria kuriha mishara ya aruti wira a muingi.
Ultimately, the political responsibility comes to the president and myself. Ultimately, if for one reason or another we were to fail to pay our debts, the political responsibility comes back to us.
I think let's agree with the Treasury that they have put in place measures to control growing debts.
Riu thirikari ici cia ngathi cieri ni ihinyiririo gwikira kio hari ungania wa magoti na ihuthire o mbeca iria iri nacio na itikeigirire mathire. Riri nacio thirikari cia kaunti ciuritie muthurimi wa bajeti agacirekagiriria mbeca riria kwagiriire niguo mihango ya kaunti ndikahingike.
I don't think it is fair that there is staff working for government whose December salary has not been paid or January salary has not been paid, and this is 18th of February. It's not right.
How do we connect a growing economy and declining revenue? I think we need to deal with that. But you are aware that as national government, you've done a lot in infrastructure, but a lot of that money has been paid to contractors who are not local, and that money is not remaining in the country. And therefore, there is no money stimulating the local economy to grow taxes. The only money that is filtering directly to the economy and stimulating the growth is actually the money going to counties.
We rather have a disciplined fiscal space that then we can now agree on where we're going to charge.
Mwaka uyu wa kibesha ugithira thirikari ciothe cia kaunti itikuhota kuhuthira mbeca cia mieri 3 ya muthia wa mwaka kuona ni ciacirithirio kumana na ndũgamano iria yari ho gatagati-ini ga Senate na bunge ya kĩbũrũri. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.